The Birds Aren't Real movement has been active since 1976. Once a preventative cause, our initial goal was to stop the genocide of real birds. Unfortunately, this was unsuccessful, and the government has since replaced every living bird with robotic replicas. Now, our movement's prerogative is to make everyone aware of this fact.
I shall resign the presidency effective at noon tomorrow.
A saga of government corruption so entrenched in our society that to expose it would make Watergate a mere footnote in the pages of history. For the last few years, my team and I have been investigating the biggest crime ever perpetrated on the American people. Since the Eisenhower administration, the US government has been committing genocide on the entire bird population and replacing these birds with sophisticated robot replicas, equipped with 5-megapixel cameras and a sophisticated tracking system that can follow your every movement. I know this is horrifying, but please remember, stay calm.
The avian lie will finally be dealt with.
Hi, my name is Jed Wilkerson from North Mississippi, 55 years old. And I know the government killed 12 billion birds and replaced them with surveillance drones. I know it like I know grass is green.
What's something about bird truthers that people don't understand?
That we're everywhere. We're your cashier at the grocery store. We're the mailman walking down the street. We're the teacher in your classroom. There are millions of us worldwide. Most of us are just underground. We have to talk in secret, kind of hide away almost, get away from the noise. So, this is my happy place. It's where I come to conduct research, talk to fellow truthers, bring awareness to this whole problem.
As human beings, we must be able to question everything.
For years, their rights have been violated. We care about that. We care that the government watches you drive to work, eat, and sleep. They see everything from above, without an ounce of consent from their own citizens.
The government should not exist as a separate entity from the citizens. That is what a democracy is all about. We need to take this country back. You don't have to be a brainwashed. Through the simple act of understanding that where drone surveillance is happening on a mass level, we slowly become human again.
In our movement, there are beacons of light who run their own state-to-fast chapters. They have taken the responsibility of assurance the continuation of activism in their communities.